this sticker, and this sticker contains frequency, and that is what we produce in our local company. This is a Malaysian company. We're dealing with frequencies. So this is what I talk in the my TikTok and also on my Facebook about twin family meta analysis. So this is the name of the study. So I will explain to you a bit on what they really did on this. This investigation, how much of our sense of well-being, our happiness, life satisfaction, and overall mental balance is influenced by genes versus our environment. The genes that is inside us and the environment. How much this both thing influences our happiness and life satisfaction. That is the research. So they have so many markers, so many research. They've done so many of that. So this is just a summary of what they have found out. In a simple term, the researchers look at twins and families to see what makes people feel happier or more satisfied with life. So they want to look at it. So what they did, they combined the data from about 30 different studies, including nearly 56,000 people for well-being measured and about 48,000 for satisfaction with life. So the result shows, this is what it says, that about 36% of well-being and 32% of life satisfaction can be linked to genetic factors. So there's genetic factors that's inside us when is inherited, and then outside the environment. The rest comes from the environment influence, daily experience, and lifestyles. This means that both our natural makeup, that is our own genes, our surrounding plays a role in how balanced and positive we feel. Think it like a cell phone that you're using. It's a two-way communication. You receive and you send. So in our body, we have all the genetics, and our DNA. It also looks like a transmitter. You see the helix. And from outside. So what are all these things? Those are frequencies. Now we know radio frequency. So radio frequency have a carrier wave. So they have information and there's a carrier wave. So they load the carrier wave into this the information, the modulation. So it carries that wave. Now why they do this? Because by itself the information is very weak. So the carrier wave will be able to carry this information to a distance. So like that, this frequency sticker